is, I'll just take some color. Okay. My cursor will be in the first matrix. Okay.
Okay.
My cursor will be in the first matrix. Now I have to print 20. I have to print 20. Firstly, my control goes to this line and checks what I have to print. Okay. Then I have to print 20. Firstly, I'll take the value 2. Okay. I'll print in the first box as 2. Okay. After immediate printing, the cursor control. This is the cursor I have in the first box. That control goes to next box. Then I'll be printing here 0. I'll be printing here 0. Uh, after this, again the control comes back to the next cursor. The same way it goes to the next block. How many ever blocks you have, how many ever boxes you have, that control goes in the same line itself. Okay,
Okay.
understanding, guys?
Yes, sir.
It
So it
won't
just
go to the next.
moves to the.
It won't just go to the next row. Okay, next row. If you want to go to the next row, it should finally reach the last box of the memory block. Last box of the memory block. If it is reached, then it will come to the next block. Otherwise, it will be printing in the same line itself. Understood, guys?
Okay.
Okay. So this is my example for system.out.print. Okay. System.out.print. Now let us take the example for the second type. That is, the second type is system.out.println. Let me take it as println of the same number I'll take. I have to print 20. I have to print 20. So let us take the assume this is as a memory block which is in the form of matrix. Okay, this is my matrix. So once I give the command, the cursor will come to the first box. That is, the cursor control will be here. So what I have to print? So I have to print 20. The first number is 2. So I have printed 2, and my cursor will go to next box, and then it will print 0. The only difference is, after printing the desired output here, the cursor, as you are mentioning print ln, print ln is nothing but next line. So after printing your desired output, the cursor which is here, it will come to the next cursor. After printing it, the cursor immediately comes to the next line box. Control immediately comes to the next line box. So if you print just a single number or anything, a space, it will give, the cursor will print here, and after printing the desired value, immediately it will come to the next line. So this is the main difference between system.out.print statement and system.out.println statement. What does system.out.print statement do? It will print the statement and print the output in the same line, and the cursor will be remained in the same line itself. It will not go to the next row or next line. And in the second one, println data, in this, the desired output will be printed in the first line, and after printing the desired output, the control goes to the next line. Understood, guys? Guys, I need your response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let us try in the notepad only. Okay. Sorry, that's notepad plus. I'll try in notepad and try to execute. Have you written these points statements in Java?
Okay. Yes, sir.
No,
Written.
sir.
So take down this example also. It will be easy to understand.
Okay.
Sir, I am also a fresher now, so I need to join any
Great
classroom.
today.
What?
I am a fresher. I just joined today. So, like,
No,
do I
dear.
have to join on any classrooms?
Don't join any class. Just listen to whatever I say from today.
Okay.
Okay. The
Okay.
previous days are and all are theory part. Okay. From today only, it is important. We are
Yeah.
getting
Okay.
into Java programming. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Guys, understood the statements in Java? where we use print statement and where we use println statement?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us execute a program. So let us take a new file itself. Okay. I have a new file now. So here I let us take an example. I'll create a class name. Suggest me a class name, guys. Anyone?
Addition.
Addition. Am I performing addition here? Yeah, we can give
Yes,
any
sir.
name we want, but according to the convention, let us take. I'm just taking it as an example.
So we can
So I
add
created a class.
numerical values also in the name.
What?
Numerical values can also be added in the class name.
Yeah, numerical values can also be added. That comes under tokens, identifiers. I'll tell you that. Don't worry. The next concept is that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I was just confused
So,
that if we can add or not. That's all.
okay. Okay. I've created a class block now. Now, what is my next step in order to execute a program?
Main function.
Yeah, very good. I have to create main function. How to create a main function? That is public
Public static
static
void
void
main
main function
string
main of formal arguments. That is string array
parameter
of arguments. String array of arguments. I'll open my main block and I'll close my main block. Now inside this, I have to print the. If I okay, I have taken example of 20, right? So let us try to print the value 20. So I'll use system dot out dot println of 20. Let us take print first, okay?
yes
Print of 20. Next, I'll take the same value, okay? System dot out dot print of, let us take another value 30. So I'm printing 20 and 30. I'll just use just copy paste it. Just bifurcate it to
Is
understand what the difference
essential
between system.
for the first line?
Yeah,
Is space essential for the first line?
yes. Between
Space.
what? I didn't get your point here.
Sir, in the first line, system.out.print 20, is the space
Hmm.
essential
Where are you giving the space?
before the system word?
Oh my god. No, it is not essential. Fine now.
Okay, okay, sir.
So I am printing two values. Let us take a different value, 40, and here I'll take 10. So here I'm using print ln statement and print statement as well. Right, guys? Understood?
Sir, double quotes in third line, sir.
So this is double quotes in third. Okay. Double quotes in third line is nothing. If you enter anything inside this double quotes, no, double quotes, the same thing will be printed. The same thing will get in the output. Okay, you can see it there. So double print, if you want to print anything, any instructions to the output and any instructions to the user. Okay, suppose if I'm adding two numbers, so if inside this double quotes, I can write enter the two numbers you want to add. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll just take another printing statement. Control V. See, I'll just tell hello world. See, I can print whatever I want, like string value. So this let us see how what is the output for this program. So I've taken program one, right? So let's save the file program one dot Java. Where am I saving it? Saving it in desktop. Let me go to online. Open folder here. Yeah, save. I think I didn't save my file. Just a second, guys. Okay, I have saved my Java file. So let us go to the folder where I've saved and use the command prompt online. See, my program one has been saved here. So I'll go here and type cmd. Now, what is the first step I have to do? I have to check if there are any errors present in my program. So I have to tell the compiler, please check for the errors. So what is the convention we use? Java C space file name. What is my file name? Program dot Java. There are
Program
no
one dot
errors
Java.
present. Compile time successful. My program is now compile time successful, guys. Understanding?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So next,
Sir.
what is the next step I have to do? I have to get the output for my program. So in order to get the output, I have to execute
Java
my
space
program.
Java
Java
with
space
class name.
class name. What is my class name? Program one. Could not find or load main class. Class Java dot
Here
learn
in the
class.
first, while compiling, you didn't put one after the program.
Okay.
Compiler, you have done program Java, program
Sorry,
1,
sorry, sorry, sorry,
program
sorry.
1.
Sir, that Java
Program
C
one. Okay.
program one Java.
Okay, I'm sorry, guys.
One, sir.
Program one dot Java. I compiled. So no compile time error. Now I'm running my program. See, guys, you're getting the difference. Wait, I'll just see. So as I told, I'll just open my code. Okay. See, this is my code. Let's see. Let us trace the program now. Okay. So first line I've given system.out.print 20. So is it printing 20 here? Guys, are you getting the
Yes.
output? See here, 20 is
Yes,
there.
sir.
So print it's printing 20. So what is the use of print statement? The cursor will not go to the next line printing. Correct, right?
Next statement. Ah, yeah, next line.
It won't, the cursor won't go to the next line. The cursor will remain in the same line. So here see system.out.print 30 also is coming in the same line. The output is coming in the same. Understanding, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
say
sir.
next,
Yes, sir.
see line also I'm using print statement. So print statement. So the whatever I've given in between the double quotes, that is also output we can see in the same line itself because we are using print statement. Okay, print statement. Next, hello world also I've used print statement, so it is coming in same line. And fourth one, fourth one you have to concentrate here. See, system.out.println of 40. So what I told, it will print. See, as I showed in the matrix, the first value will be printed 40 in the same line. See, before world there is 40, right? Guys,
Yes, sir.
so value will be
Yes, sir.
printed. when we use println statement, value will be printed, and the cursor goes to the next line, and the cursor will be control of the cursor will go to the next line. So see, system dot out dot println 10 is coming in the next line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So this, yes,
Yes.
understood.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Understood. So this is the main difference between print statement and println statement.
Sir,
Fine, guys.
So means, sir,
hello.
if we use immediately print and after print, then it will
What
not
what?
move the. You're able to hear me.
So your voice is not clear. Please be a bit loud.
Now,
Yes.
so I just wanted to tell that means if we use immediately print ln after print, it will not move the cursor right on the next line.
Immediately println after printer.
Yes,
So okay, system dot out dot print of 20, and you're telling system dot out dot print ln of 30,
yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, it will print 20 and 30 in the same line, and then the cursor goes to the next line for next output. But if you don't give any output, that cursor goes to the next. The cursor will be in the next line, but you will get the output in the same line itself, 20 and 30.
Okay, okay.
Understood, guys?
Hello.
Guys,
Sir,
understood?
sir, I need to print 40 in the next line, sir. How is
You
it
need to
possible,
print
right? 40 in the
40 in the
next line.
next line.
Yes, sir.
Just see, give here println. Okay. When you
Okay.
give println here, println, hello world will be printed. Hello world will be printed. After that, the cursor will go to the next line.
In the particular number, we need to give the ln to the before one, right?
What? What?
In order to print the 40, so we need to give the print ln statement to the preceding one.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So let us try to execute that program again if it comes. Program on Java, right? Then program. See now.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Sir, for the first line, you have given 40 for println, right? Why immediately that 40 will not be printed in next line? That is what my question is.
First line. No, there
Because
the output of the
immediately why
same
it
line.
is
Okay,
not going
system dot
to,
out dot println 40 will be printing in the same line itself. And
because we have
after
used
printing
println,
40
right?
only,
That
the
is what,
cursor will go to the next line.
because we
Okay.
have used, but we have used println, right? Why controller will immediately will not go to next line, that 40 number?
See, you're not getting my point. Here I've used println, right? See, okay. Now after this, so for first three lines I've used print. Okay. So when I'm using till equals you just focus till equals I'm using print statement. So if I'm using print statement, it will remain in the same the cursor should be moved to the next line. So the cursor moves to the next line, and then system out dot out dot println 10 will be printed, and then the cursor will be in the next line, which you can't which is not visible to us because we don't have any statements in the next line. So this is how the output was. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So do one thing, take a quick note of this program under statements in Java, take it as example, and after writing the program, just copy the output. What is the how does the output come here? Okay, you'll get to know while like looking into it in further days. Okay,
Sir,
first
why,
copy.
sir, why don't we are given double quotes the numerical values? Isn't it
Sir,
mandatory?
numerical values also you can give double quotes, sir. But if you want to
Okay.
print any numerical value, you can directly print. If you want to print any string value only, there is a rule in Java that you have
Yes,
to
sir.
print it in
String should be
string
in the double
statement.
quotes. Okay, thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
I'll just give you 2 minutes time. Please copy it faster. We'll move to the next concept.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while printing system.out.print or print ln, system should be in capital
Yeah,
always.
system should be in capital. I cannot explain you that right now. Just assume that system is in capital, out is in small, and println is starts from small letters. System should be capital. System is one of the class name. Okay, need not to worry about that now. So you'll be learning it in libraries. So system is a class name. So convention of what convention we have to follow while using while giving a class name. When we write a class name, first letter should be capital, right? So
Okay, sir.
that's why
Thank
we
you.
are using system. System as first
Okay.
letter as capital. System is an inbuilt class in Java. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is it done, guys? Guys,
Yes,
you're
sir.
still writing or what? Is it done?
That-
Okay. Let us move to the next concept, right? Now, simple concept. So, do you want me to give the screenshot of it?
Let them take screenshots, sir.
Yeah, if you guys can take screenshot, then it's well and good.
Yes, sir. We are taking.
If you have taken, then it's fine. I'll not save it.
Okay, sir. We are taken. Sir.
Okay, I'm clearing, guys. Okay, I'll give you one time if you want. If you want to take the screenshot, just take it. Okay. So let us move to next concept. Next concept is a simple concept, that is shit. Okay. So the next concept is tokens. So tokens. So what is token exactly is? Token is okay. You'll be uh, you'll come across different scenarios where you take tokens. Okay, when you go to some movie, if you go to some movie, you'll be taking a ticket, right? Ticket. So the same way here also, uh, ticket represents your seat or something. Ticket represents your identity or that you have taken the ticket. The same way, tokens in Java, it is the smallest unit of any programming language. Okay, if any programming language, irrespective of like Java, Python, or C++, tokens are the smallest unit of any programming language. Is like which represents something. Okay, which represents something. Okay, so the definition of token is the definition of source token is smallest unit, sorry, smallest unit of any programming language. It's just a unit which is used to represent or identify something. Okay, it is the smallest unit of programming language. Understood, guys? So there are mainly three tokens or three types of tokens. Okay, there are mainly three types of tokens present. Okay, the first one is there are mainly three types of tokens present. First one is the important one. First one is keywords, and second one is identifiers, and third one is literals. Literals, or you can also call it as values. Okay, guys, come on. So what is a token? We understood that it is the smallest unit of any programming language. Sorry, programming language. So we got to know it is the smallest unit of any programming language. There are three types of tokens present. The first one is keywords, and the second one is identifiers, and third one is literals, and the third one is literals. Let us get to know one by one. What are these? What are keywords? What are identifiers? And what are literals? Okay, understanding, guys? Respond.
Yes, sir.
So, first one is keyword. Okay. Uh, can anyone interact with me voluntarily? Okay. Viresh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, okay. Suppose uh, let us take an example. Okay. I have a key or I have a pen. Viresh, interact with me. So So, can you describe me a pen? What's your name? I forgot your name already. Okay, someone Abdul. So he went.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have a marker in my hand now. I have a marker. Can you describe that marker?
About what, sir? About a marker.
Yeah.
Anything to write or
Okay. Okay. So you know why the marker is used, huh?
yes, sir.
Yeah, the same way. So, for example, okay, I've taken this marker. I know this is used for writing. Okay, I'll take a book. I know that is used for making notes,
Uh,
right? So the same way
yes, sir.
in Java, keywords are some special words which have predefined meaning. Okay, for this book, I have a meaning. Okay, why do I call that book as a book? Because I use it because of like to in order to make any notes for myself. I use that book, no? So I have a
Yes,
predefined meaning
yes,
for
sir.
that.
Like if you have book to write, if you have bike to ride,
Right. To write.
that's like
The same
yeah,
way. The
that's like
same way in Java, keywords are predefined words. Predefined words means which have their inbuilt meaning, okay? They're already predefined. They have already given meaning for those words. So those words are known as keywords in Java. Understood, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is the definition of keyword? Let me write the definition. So what is the definition of Java? Java, oh, sorry, definition of keywords. Keywords are nothing but uh,
Maybe you cannot change the
Special
meaning
words
of it.
are predefined words in Java.
predefined
Words where none
words
can change its meaning.
in Java, predefined words in Java, which are understood by who understands it? Are we
Oh,
understanding it? No, right? We can
yes,
understand.
sir.
Okay, we are studying
Yes.
it. We can understand. But who identifies those are keywords? When we compile, the compiler, what is the duty of the compiler? It will check each and every word, right? Each and every letter, each and every word of what we are mentioning. So if I mention any keyword, it should identify, okay, it is my keyword. It has some meaning, so it should perform that operation. Correct, right? So
Yes,
which is
sir.
keywords are nothing but predefined words in Java, which is understandable.
Lots of disturbance sound is creating.
Just mute
Sir,
yourself,
please
guys.
go.
Which is understandable, which is understandable by who? Which is understandable by compiler. Okay, which is understandable by compiler. So there is another convention we call keywords as. It is also called as reserved words. So keywords can also be called as reserved words. Reserved words nothing but they are reserved for some meaning, right? So they're also called as reserved words. Okay, let us take an example. Let us take an example. What are uh, for keywords? Okay. As I told earlier. So in order to how to declare a main method, so I declare public static void main string array of arguments. So this is how I declare my main method, right? So in this main method, I've written what is this public, static, void. So these three are termed as keywords. These are the examples of keywords: public, static, and void. These three are the keywords. These public has different meaning. It comes under visibility, which is not necessary as of like at this point you don't worry about the visibility and all. And static and this is a keyword void has a different meaning. Void means it returns nothing. Okay, void is void, you know, void, right? Nothing. So it is a keyword which has its own meaning. Okay, just understand that. Don't go, don't worry about those meanings, why it is used and all. So the three examples are public, static, void. Understood, guys? Guys, respond. Any of them? Okay. So there are in Java, I think there are okay, let us give an assignment today, okay? Assignment for you guys is you have to go through Google. You have to go through Google and search how many keywords are there in Java at present scenario. Okay? This is your assignment, first assignment, guys. You'll do it right. Guys, this is your first assignment,
So,
and you will
yes, sir. Only we need to write how
and
many, sir?
and you need to check how many keywords are there, and then you have to list
Main
them all.
keywords are int, double, char, boolean. That's all, you know.
Wow, just go through Google, guys. You will get how many keywords are there, and I need all the keywords listed in a sheet of paper. I'll tell some of
So,
them. I'll tell any one of them to
67
present your.
words are there, sir, keywords. 67,
ಸರ್
sir.
ಸರ್
I
ನಿಮ್ಮ
have
ವಾಯ್ಸ್
told it as
ತುಂಬಾ
assignment.
ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
I have told it as assignment. Then I'll check it tomorrow, or else do one thing. I have created each and every one of them. Write the assignment in a single sheet of paper and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I need everyone to do that assignment. I need first line how many keywords are there, and in below you have to list all the keywords which are present in Java.
Uy, teman rada.
That is your first. Guys, please mute yourself.
Share the Google Classroom link, please.
Ravi Teja, Saumya, Afreen, Yogeshwaran, please mute yourselves.
So please share the Google Classroom link.
I will share. Don't worry. Just remind me when, when
ಸರ್
there are few
ನನಗೂ
minutes.
ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
No WhatsApp group link. I've only exited the WhatsApp group. I'm not allowed to create a WhatsApp group. So I'll give you Google Classroom link. Okay. Don't worry. I'll provide you Google Classroom link at the end. Okay. So you got to know what are keywords, right? Okay, you've got to know what is keyword. So just take down these points. I'll just erase it. Okay, I'll just erase this assignment kind of thing. So I have to, I'll check each and everyone's assignment. So it should be ready. So these are the examples of keywords. There's one more rule you need to follow, or they have followed. Okay, keywords, keywords always, keywords always start with lowercase. Lowercase. If you go right, okay, public, I told public as an example. If you write public capital PLIC, then compiler will throw an error and telling that it will give a tight slap telling that public is uh, undefined, or I'm not getting what is public. So you have to mention keywords in the lowercase itself. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all about keywords, and don't forget that I have given an assignment for you. So let us move to the next concept. That is second one, uh, identifiers. Do you want time to take down these points, or else you have already taken down?
So I think okay.
Already taken, sir. Okay, done then. I'll move to the next. If you want to take a screenshot, I'll clear the screen now. Do it fast.
Hello.
Ahi, good morning. Coffee ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕಾಫಿ? ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಹತ್ತೇನು ರೀ ಆಸ್ತಾನ ಕರ್ಕೊಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, guys, done with the points? Okay, I'll clear my screen. So let's go to the next concept, that is identifiers. Second important concept is identifiers. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Even this eyeball pad is not working for properly. So, okay. So identifiers. Okay. Let us take an example now. I have a person. Okay. So, okay. Suppose, let us take this as okay. Uh, my name itself. This is me. Okay. Assume this is me. Anyone call me as Sudeep. That's the way. So this is can I tell it as this is my identity? Okay, my name given to me is known as the identity. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So the same way, I'll just clear this example. Same way, in Java, identifiers are nothing but name given to the components of Java. What are the components of Java? Components may be of any type, that is, variables. Components have nothing but variables and maybe methods. You can take methods. And the third one, classes,
Hello.
interfaces, etc. So these are the components of Java, right? Components of Java. These are the components. So, what are identifiers?
Sir,
Okay, I
last
can,
one initializer or I don't know.
sorry. Last one is
Last
this
one
one.
variables, sir.
Variables, methods,
Integers.
classes, and this last one, last one is interfaces.
Okay, sir.
Interfaces. Okay. So these are the components of Java. So can I directly create a method? Okay, someone told, okay, sir, take addition class name. So without taking a class name, can I create a class block? No, right? So in order to identify that block, I have to give some name to that class. So that is what identifier is. So understood, guys? Why do we need identifiers? Guys, respond. Defined by programmers. Okay. The actual definition is identifiers is nothing but name like the components. What is identifier? Identifier is a name given to the components of Java like variables, methods, classes, and interfaces. Understood, guys? Okay, let us take an example now. Just a second, guys. Hello? Yes, ma'am, you can come. Okay. Guys, I'll just
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning, guys. This is Pallavi from management. So today I'm here to announce a requirement here. So qualification BE MTech, stream CS ISIT is year of password should be from 2020 to 2023, and your 10th 12th degree aggregate percentage is any, guys, any, it's okay. And if you meet this criteria, if you want to register, take down this and ping your details to HR number, guys. It is done now.
Sir, number, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move to another slide now? Okay, guys, take down this also. Here is a requirement for implementation engineer. This is a support role. Guys, mute yourself, guys.
Virish.
Yes, ma'am. Interview location and job location is a Hyderabad offline interview in Mangalagiri, and skills required SQL completed candidate salary package 2.4 lakhs per annum. 3 years bond and agreement is there. So qualification BE BTech stream, any stream is fine, including civil and mechanical student can also go ahead with this requirement. Year of password 2019, 20, 21, and your aggregate percentage should be 60%. So your interview rounds and patterns be like this: technical round of interview and like a HR round of interviews there, guys. Take down this if you meet this criteria, if you want to register. Guys, done now?